Hello everybody. In this video, we're offering 10 tips to boost your mental health. Mental health refers to your overall psychological well-being. It includes the way you feel about yourself, the quality of your relationships, and your ability to manage your feelings and deal with difficulties. Anyone can experience mental or emotional health problems, and over a lifetime, many of us will. These tips can help you elevate your mood, become more resilient, and enjoy life more. 1. Make social connection, especially face-to-face, a priority. Phone calls and social networks have their place, but few things can beat the stress-busting, mood-boosting power of quality face-to-face time with other people. 2. Stay active. Staying active is as good for the brain as it is for the body. Regular exercise or activity can have a major impact on your mental and emotional health, relieve stress, improve memory, and help you sleep better. 3. Talk to someone. Talk to a friendly face. In-person social interaction with someone who cares is one of the most effective ways to calm your nervous system and relieve stress. 4. Appeal to your senses. Does listening to an uplifting song make you feel calm? Does squeezing a stress ball help you feel centered? What about taking a walk in nature and enjoying the sights and sounds of the trees? Everyone responds to sensory input a little differently, so experiment to find what works best for you. 5. Take up a relaxation practice. Yoga, mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing can help reduce overall levels of stress. 6. Make leisure and contemplation a priority. Leisure time is a necessity for emotional and mental health. Take some time to relax, contemplate, and pay attention to the positive things as you go about your day, even the small things. Write them down if you can, because they can be easy to forget. Then you can reflect on them later if your mood is in need of a boost. 7. Eat a brain-healthy diet to support strong mental health. Foods that can support your mood include fatty fish rich in omega-3s, nuts, walnuts, almonds, cashews and peanuts, avocados, beans, leafy greens, spinach, kale and Brussels sprouts, and fresh fruits such as blueberries. 8. Don't skimp on sleep. It matters more than you think. One way to get sleep better is to take a break from the stimulation of screens, TV, phones, tablets or computers in the 2 hours before bedtime. 9. Find purpose and meaning. This is different for everyone. You might try one of the following. Engage in work that makes you feel useful. Invest in relationships and spend quality time with people who matter to you. Volunteer, which can help enrich your life and make you happier. Care for others, which can be as rewarding and meaningful as it is challenging. 10. Get help if you need it. If you or a loved one needs support, there are many programs and resources that are available to you. If you're ready to make life changes, subscribe to the Good Life channel and find out what you can do to improve your life. Thank you for coming this far with us. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget click the notification bell to alert you each time we post a new video. Bye for now.